Hey guys, it's Pete with Leisure Time here, and today we're looking at a 2023 HotSprings Grande. The customer was complaining that their remote wasn't working and it just went black. When I got here today, it looks like it's working properly. However, what I found is if you remove the remote from the docking port, suddenly it goes black and now it's not doing anything. But we drop it back down on the docking port and it starts popping up, and now it has to reattach to the spa again, find the Bluetooth. So that remote should work anytime you remove it from the docking port. So that tells me that the battery has gone bad. We have a replacement battery here, part number 77240. And I'm going to show you how to replace that. It's pretty straightforward. Now, some people think, well, it's just a regular battery that's in there that I can go buy at the store. No, it is a special HotSprings battery. Made specifically for this remote. You can see here that there's a gasket that goes around it to keep it watertight, and then this is where it plugs into the remote. So what we're going to do here is take it off, flip it over. You can see that there's screws that go around this. Now when you first buy this battery, it should have a little bit of power on it charged out of the box, so it really should work as soon as we drop it on there. Then I just have to use something to pry it out. Pocket knife is usually the easiest, but you can use a flat blade screwdriver, something like that. Okay, so looking at here, we can see that there's a little bit of moisture that it's gotten past there, and then on the battery as well. That's probably why it's not holding the charge. Okay, so we're gonna take a look at this, and the pins that are on the remote have actually gotten corroded enough and one of them broke off. So I'm not sure if this is even gonna work with this remote. We might have to just replace the whole remote altogether. Let's see what happens when we put a new battery on there. So it does light up once I drop it onto the docking port, and that's probably because the remote is being powered from the docking port. Yeah, it's not really working properly. It's loading up right now, but watch as soon as yeah, it's done. Okay, so what now we're going to do is change the remote, and that's a nice thing I can show you guys how to do too. Okay, so when replacing the remote, part number is a 79466, and it tells you on the box what software it's for. Pretty much all the remotes have gone to 4.0 software. Some of the older tubs, I think prior to 2017, maybe 2015, is when they were using different softwares. And so if you have a remote that's that old, then you have to either update the software in the board and your dock, and then you can do the new remote, or you can just replace the dock altogether with a new one. And then you still have to do the software on the box, but it's probably easiest just to replace the dock, and that way you're up to date with the newest, latest, and greatest. Okay, so first thing you want to do is always remove the battery from the old remote, and then I'm going to pull this out, get it all ready. The new remote does come with a new battery, so we don't have to use that battery that I had. And since this part is still under warranty, I'm just going to throw the old parts back in the box, and we're going to send that back to HotSprings. New battery. And I'm going to drop that right on top where it's supposed to go. So this remote's going to power up and it's going to start searching for the spa. But unless the remote is paired with this spa, it's not going to be able to find the spa. So what we need to do now is pair the remote. I'm actually going to pull that battery right back off again to power it down. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is come over here to the hard buttons. And sometimes when it's super bright outside, you gotta kind of cup it to see what you're doing. But the jets button, you're gonna hold that down for about 5 seconds until you see the lights flashing. I hope you can see that. But the lights are flashing, so now we drop our battery back in the remote, and then it should power up. And then what it's going to do is go to, there we go, pair menu. So yes, we want to pair this remote with this spa. There we go, found the spa. Initializing graphics. Once it's loaded all the graphics, then home screen should pop up and we will do a test to make sure all the functions are working. There we go, home screen, we'll go to jets. Temperature. Lights. Okay, looks like it's all good to go. I'm going to peel off the safety thing. Some people like, oh, I'm going to leave that film on there to try and protect it. The problem is over time that film starts to break down and then it's actually stuck to the screen and ends up making the screen look a lot crappier than what it should with a new remote. So I peel it off. So now let's test to make sure this battery's working properly. If we remove it, it shows us up here in the corner we got a full battery, so everything's good to go here. I'm just gonna new screws right here. I'm gonna put them into the back of the thing and we'll be good to go. So if you have any questions on that, leave a comment, let us know. Thanks for watching.